Hi, this is John with WTI. And in the effort of trying to do different things, trying to cook something different instead of chicken every single day, this is where this Hunt's garlic and herbs pasta sauce comes into place. And I've used this for several different things. So I'm going to tell you why. So this jug of sauce in here, I've used it for pastas. I've used it for even tacos. I've used it for even just like accompanying this with my chicken with a little bit of this sauce and rice. And what I like about this is so versatile that you can just use this sauce, put it anywhere. It's not too high in salt, so it's not going to put you in a situation that is going to like, oh, this is a weird taste. Actually, it tastes really good. You can feel the herbs, you can feel all the garlic, and the great balance well tomato sauce for this pasta or any other circumstances that you want to use them for. So this is really good. So this was John with ATI, and that was my point of view.